Yeah, so I decided to say screw it on fixing the rest of that trailer. Let's go fishing. So we did. We didn't catch anything, but it was nice. It was really hot today, so it was really nice to get out there. Look at all these dang mosquitoes. I don't know if I can get you in a position to see them all. That's what we're dealing with up here. It has been horrible. This is the worst year for mosquitoes ever. But here's what you do. Create a breeze. Get that fan, direct it right down here on the grill. And if you make a breeze, the mosquitoes aren't quite as bad. So, here's what we got going. We're going to do chicken wings tonight. What we did is we cut up chicken wings. They were whole wings. Cut them up. Mama Bear boiled them to make sure they're done all the way to the bone. And then we put them in 2 pouches of what? McCormick Buffalo Wing Seasoning? Yes, that's what we did. Shook. Yep, just the pouches. 2 of them. Put them in there. There's about 4 pounds of chicken wings there. And we're going to put them on the grill, and then when we're done, we are going to toss them in some buffalo wing sauce. I like my wings a little bit drier. Nothing worse than a slimy wing that's not done to the bone. I like them a little bit dry, but edible. You can go too far with that. So, I got the grill warming up. Let's get these things on. Let me get you on the tripod. Pardon me, I've had a few beers. Alright, our grill's about 300 degrees. Let's load them on. I'm sorry, I gotta correct myself. We only did 1 packet of the McCormick Buffalo Seasoned Wings. Yeah. Beautiful. Alright, now this isn't my grill, and I know it runs just from using it the past couple of days here. I know it runs a little bit hotter right in this area, but that's fine. We're going to keep cooking, and we won't even use the tongs. We might even use a spatula on this. You guys seeing these chicken wings? Here, let me zoom you in. Yeah. So you boil the chicken wings first just to get them done to the bone. Then you cool them, and you toss them in 1 packet. This is about 4 pounds. Toss them in 1 packet of McCormick's Buffalo Wing Seasoning. Then we're going to cook them like that. And then when they get to my specifications, we're going to toss them in buffalo wing sauce. Whoa, excuse that big ass moth. Holy shit. Alright, so we're going to let those cook. And we'll jump back on here and give you an update as we go. Oh my god, look at that. Let's cook that bastard too. Look at that. Holy fuck. See, now what am I going to do? Here, I'll show you what I'm going to do. Remember that electronic bug zapper? Yeah. Let's do it right there. Oh, look at that. He's pretty calm now. Bet he's feeling that current. Yeah. Cook, baby, cook. Right on the electronic bug zapper. Or the electric fly swatter, as they call it. You know what? Let me shut this. We don't want that shit all over our food. And don't worry, we have more tongs, so don't worry about it. We can clean these too. I think he's toast. I think he's kind of sorry that he went in there. Yeah, look at that. That's a big ass moth right there. I'll bet he's sorry. That fucker flew right in the grill. Look at the bugs. They're just... Yeah. It's like 4th of July with these bugs out here. Look at that. I'll just keep holding this button. Them bastards will fly right into it. There we go. Yep, look at them. What a bunch of dumb shits, huh? Fuck that guy. He's dead. Alright. I'm going to get rid of these tongs. Or at the minimum, wash them. I'll just get rid of them. I'm kidding. Check you guys later. Okay, I did forget to say, right now I have this on high. I am going to turn it down to medium and let these cook. And meanwhile, Mama Bear is washing those tongs. I told her what I did. So she's washing them up. We will need them later. Alright, I'm finally getting low battery, but here's the tongs. Yes, they have been washed. And, oh yeah, look at those chicken wings. Okay, that's not burnt. That's character right there. I'm going to keep tossing these wings till they're done. And let's hope another moth doesn't come winging into the grill. That thing was big as a goddamn... That thing took off the SS Ronald Reagan, I'll tell you that right now. That was a big-ass moth. I don't know where that guy came from. Alright. Shut the lid. We'll be back. Alright. We are back. There's our wings. Oh yeah. Get them off in the pan. Ooh, they're hot. We grab the tongs. Oh, see that mothball in there? He flew right into the flame. He's dead. Don't worry about it. When you're at the cabin, you can't worry about stuff like that. Let me show you something. You see that chicken wing right there? You seeing that? That looks a little bit burnt. It's not burnt at all. Lots of juiciness still left in there. I've done this a million times. This is just a way to get your buffalo wings a little bit crispy. You just put them on the grill, get them crisped up. If you're not going to deep fry them, you can oven bake them. I mean, there's nothing wrong with that, but we're at the cabin, so we're just going to use the grill. Alright. Remove that. We shut off the gas. Alright. We cut the gas on the grill. Let me get you over here. Yeah. Right there. Got us a little sweet baby Ray's. That's not my favorite marinade, but it'll work. Alright, so let me put the tongs aside. Let's get a spatula. Oh my god, there's another moth that looks like it's the size of an eagle. Holy cow, he's stuck in the grass. I hope he stays there. We've already had enough moth close calls. Oh yeah, look at that. We're going to pair this with some corn on the cob. A little bit of potato. Ooh, yeah. Getting a little sting out of that. Oh, I dropped that. We'll clean it up. Don't worry about it. Let's zoom you out. Holy cow. I'm telling you right now though. Right here. Ooh, bugs. Well, that chicken is awesome. Falling apart. Yummy. There you have it. I'm going to discard my bones right into here so the puppies don't get them. This finger looking good. And I didn't touch the moth either, so don't worry about it. That's it for tonight. That's just how you do some buffalo chicken wings. I got sauce in my face. Wipe it on your sleeve. We're at the cabin. Alright guys, take care.